Hi guys, it's P, back with another video. Excuse me while I adjust the camera just a little bit here. I have another haul video, but before I forget again, I'm on the hunt for a stamp set. It's an old retired set, and I just thought I would, give a shout out. If anybody has it and they're willing to part with it, I am willing to buy it from you. The stamp set is called Cool Day. There it is. It's by MFT. Sorry for the lighting is terrible. By MFT. And, see, I have the die set, but I don't know what happened to the stamp set. So, I need to replace it. Anyway. So if anybody has it and they're willing to sell it, I'll put my email in the description box and you can contact me. Okay? Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you I got from the BX. My husband's retired military. And I know that a lot of you guys don't have access to it. But it's from Home Essentials. And it's this cool little box that has this wood lid on it, and it's perfect for my stamp chamois. So I thought I'd show you guys that. I've seen something very similar at Walmart, so that's why I thought that I would go ahead and show it. Okay, so that was the first thing, and it was $6.99 for this cute little container. Okay, so the rest of the haul is from Amazon. I have quite a few things here. So I got the Marvy Jewel Picker. I bought the katana thing. I don't know what happened to it, but it's like it's dried up. It's really weird, guys. Let me grab it. I don't know if anybody has any tips or hints, or do you have to clean it somehow or something? Because it's, I don't know. Maybe it's from the heater that I have in here, because I don't actually have any forced air heat in here because I had to turn it off because, well, because of my cabinet sitting on top of it, so, which contains paint. You don't really want a heater on paint, but anyway, it's like it's dried up. It's weird, and I'm pissed. So, anybody has any hints on that, that would be great. So I bought that one because I've seen a few designers use it, and I thought, okay, we'll give it a try. Also bought the Xyron adhesive eraser. God, the lighting, guys, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so got that, and I've already used it, obviously. What's it called? Stitched Windy Backdrop from Fawn. So that's what that looks like. Bayou Backdrop by Fawn. So I got that one. I seen somebody make a card and use this as seaweed, and I was hooked. And then I just bought a couple of Avery L packages to use for some of my stamps and dies, because some of them have fallen apart. So that's that. The next thing is kind of sewing related, but us as crafters, we love organizational stuff. And this is definitely organizational. You could use it for pretty much anything. I just happen to be using mine for sewing, but I have 3 of them here, and I'll show you the first one. So these are called Yazzie bags, Yazzii. I get these on Amazon because they're way cheaper. I'm gonna warn you guys, they're expensive bags. They are not cheap, but you can find some good deals on Amazon, and a few other, like Overstock.com has had them a couple of times. But what they are is they're organizational bags. They come with zipper pockets or Velcro pockets. This one happens to be for my my sewing feet. Sorry for the glare and the terrible lighting in here. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So this one happens to be for the sewing feet. But you could use it for pretty much anything. It has a nice zipper pocket there, and then a couple more zipper pockets there. So that's the name of it right there. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yazzii.com. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one is my favorite by far. It's this one is called the sewing. Let's see. This first one's called the sewing foot bag. This one's called the mini bag. This one is awesome. I love this one. It's got little pocket here, 2 little pockets here, and then more pockets, and then another big pocket, another big pocket, and then space under here. And then there's another zipper pocket in there. So you can see that this holds a lot of stuff, guys. This is for my citrus. Some Christmas ornaments and stuff that I'll be working on. So I absolutely, positively love this mini one. In fact, I think I want to get one more mini one. And then I have the big Mama Jamba. This is the large tote. As you can see, if I have to pull back the camera, this is a monster of a bag. But it holds so much stuff. Wait till you guys see what all's in here. They're quilted. They've got really nice zippers on them. And they've got awesome pockets. This one has 2 here, and then 3 here, and then another pocket on the back side. And then these are Velcro here. There's a couple of those. 2 more zipper pockets. 2 more zipper pockets. And then a place for like your pens. I don't know if you guys can see that. Or your crochet tools or whatever it is that you love. And then another pocket here. And then look at all this stuff that this is holding. I mean, it's holding a lot. So I just want to share those with you guys really quick in case you're interested. These would be great bags, you know, on the go. If you wanted to take some projects with you, you could put, you know, a bunch of collections of Copics in there and your papers and whatever. So again, they're called Yazzi, Yazzii. And so that's the big one. And I can measure it for you. This one is it's about 13 inches wide and about 12 inches tall, and the depth on it is, and it's stuffed, about 5 inches. And then this one is the mini, and it is 9 inches, 9¼ inches long, and about 8 inches wide, and about 3 inches deep. And then this one is 13 inches long by 5 inches wide. So that's my Amazon haul. I have one more haul to share with you guys and some cards. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.